Roof Max of Hickory, affordable roof rejuvenation. Visit MakeMyRoofLast.com.
It's time now for Community Focus on the WHKY News. Ralph Mangum with you. Arianna Mack has this week's A&E Bulletin Board as we hear about C.V.C.C's open house. Plus, we'll hear more from a guest we met on yesterday's show. First, though, it's Dana Kaminske with news from the City of Hickory, including info on mulch sales, the city's fire hydrants, and recycling. Here's Dana.
At the top of the bulletin board, we'll start with Communications and Marketing Manager Dana Kaminske, and she's going to talk a little bit about the City of Hickory's mulch sales. Tell us why we should buy our mulch from the City of Hickory.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me, as always. I just wanted to make sure everybody knows. I know you guys have it out there everywhere of what the details are, but why you should buy it from the City of Hickory is because, one, it's a really great price. It's only $25 for a big scoop. And when I say a big scoop, make sure you bring a big truck or a trailer for that. It is single ground mulch and it is available. So we want you to come and get it because it's also recycling. It's collecting all those trees and shrubs and all the things, and then we grind that up. It's single ground and it's then sold. So you can pick that up for $25 for a 3-yard scoop, which again, full truck size scoop full.
Yes, and where can we find more information about that?
Absolutely. You can call our Public Services Department at 828-323-7500.
Of course. And tell us about the firefighters checking hydrants.
Absolutely. Yes, you know it's spring when you start seeing firefighters out there checking our city's hydrants. If you happen to see some brief discoloration, maybe a brownish color, you can call the City of Hickory at 323-7427 to flush the main line. And after the main line is cleared of discolorations, you should turn on an outside spigot to clear the water inside the residence. Refrain from using hot water because that coloration could get into your hot water heater, and you don't want that to happen if you're washing clothes, things like that. I would hold off on washing clothes until you make sure it's running clear.
Yes. Wouldn't want to wash clothes in dirty water,
Absolutely
I understand.
Not, but it will run clear once
Yes.
it's flushed out. And those are happening 8 a.m. to about 3 p.m. weekdays, sometimes on a weekend.
And what else do you want to bring us up on?
Absolutely. There's some more things happening in the City of Hickory, as always, and this doesn't have to do with any season. This is just, we have recycling convenience centers in the City of Hickory. There's 2 different ones where you can drop off your recycling if you didn't put it at the curb, or if for some reason you either missed it or you just want to go drop off other items, you can go to the recycling convenience centers, and there are some differences between the 2. So first of all, there is one next to the C. Fred Holler Fire Station, which is Station 2. That's off of 9th Avenue in Hickory. So once you pass the fire station, you'll see on the right-hand side some big recycling bins. That's the convenience center for that one. It is open Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
Thanks so much for joining us, Dana. And I know that for all of this that we spoke about, much more details available at hickorync.gov. And now I'll add a few more events coming up in your Hickory Metro. This is your chance to explore C.V.C.C's diverse degree programs, discover apprenticeship opportunities, and connect with resources like financial aid and student services that will ensure your success. From C.V.C.C to tell us more about the open house, Joe Gibbs.
We'd like to invite you to come to our open house, which is going to be on Monday, March 31st. From 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. It's going to be an opportunity for the community to come out and explore the offerings and the campus itself.
Don't miss out on this opportunity. Also, a veteran event coming to the Hickory Metro. LaShina Carter joined WHKY to give us the details.
Thanks, Arianna. So coming up, we have a community event where Foothills Veterans Helping Veterans Women's Veteran Committee is honoring female veterans on March 29th. The event is from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Morningstar First Baptist Church. The event is completely free for anyone to attend, and lunch will be provided.
Sounds like it's going to be a great event. Thank you so much, LaShina and Joe Gibbs, for bringing us up on those. The Green Room Community Theater is holding auditions for its summer production of Songs for a New World. Auditions will take place on Monday, March 24th and Tuesday, March 25th at 7 p.m. at the Grow Building with possible callbacks that week. Performances will be held on August 14th through the 16th at 7:30 p.m. and August 17th at 3 p.m. in the McCreary Theater. However, rehearsals will not begin until July 20th with a condensed schedule leading up to the performances. That is all for the Arts and Entertainment Bulletin Board. Get out and explore your Hickory Metro. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna, and thanks also to Dana and to LaShina Carter and Joe Gibbs. That's Community Focus today. On behalf of Rob Eastwood, Arianna Mack, Jason Savage, Dana Kaminske, and all our guests, I'm Ralph Mangum. This has been the WHKY News.